Want to instantly make your videos look more professional by blurring out that distracting background and making yourself the star? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to blur your video background in Capcut in under 90 seconds. First, open Capcut and start a new project by tapping the plus button, then select the video you want to edit from your camera roll and tap Add. Now tap on your video clip in the timeline to select it. Scroll through the toolbar at the bottom until you find the Cutout option. Tap on Cutout. You'll see a few options. Choose Remove Background. Capcut will automatically start isolating the subject in your video. This might take a few moments, depending on the length of your video and your phone's processing power. Once the background removal is complete, tap the check mark. Now, scroll back in the toolbar and find the Canvas option. Tap Canvas. Select Background. You'll now be able to choose a background for your video. You'll see options to use a solid color, an image, or a blur. Tap the blur option. You can choose from several levels of blur intensity. Select the level of blur you prefer. Tap the check mark to confirm your blurred background. And that's it. You now have a professionally blurred background in your video, all done within Capcut. To save your video, tap the Export button at the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and tap Export. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Capcut tips. Let me know in the comments what other effects you'd like to learn.